Students, open the page number 63. Look at here, edges and corners. Okay, I will explain you first edges and corners. What are edges? Okay, first see this shape. Okay, what are edges? The edges are the side of any shapes. Okay, side of any shapes, that is edges. Okay, and see these points, this is corner. Okay, this one, this one, this one and this one, these are corners, that is these sides all are edges and this is corner. Okay, I hope you all understood this edges and corners. Look at this square, triangle and rectangle. They all straight edges, right? Correct. This triangle also have corner and three side. Side means edges, right? And rectangle also. Rectangle have also 4 corners. Okay. Look at this shape. Okay. And this shape is curved edges. Okay. This name is curved edges. There is no corner. Okay. This is curved edges. Now see, look at the book, page number 63. Meeta and her 5 friends. Okay, Meeta and her 5 friends were playing a game. Okay, Tinku was blindfolded. Okay, Tinku was blindfolded. Okay, उसने आंखों पर पट्टी बांधी है. And asked to keep clapping as long as he wished while the other would move around a table. Okay, जब तक वो क्लैप करता रहेगा तब तक ये सब टेबल के पास से चलते रहेंगे. Okay, round the table, move round the table. The moment Tinku stopped clapping, everybody would stop wherever they were. Okay, जब टिंकू क्लैपिंग करना बंद करेगा तब जहां पे जो है वहां पे वो खड़ा होगा. Okay, the child who was not at the corner would be out. Okay, the child who was not at the corner, that would be out. Then she would be blindfolded. Okay, then वो गेम हारेगा and she would be blindfolded. मतलब वो आंखों पर पट्टी बांध के ये गेम खेलता रहेगा. Okay, so look at here this picture. Meeta, Raja, Chotu, Guddu, Bunty and Tinku. Looking at this picture given below, can you tell who is out? Look at this. Chotu at the corner, Raja also corner, Meeta also corner and Bunty also corner. Who is? Guddu is out. So here Guddu. Okay, write down here Guddu. Where is Guddu standing? Where is Guddu standing? The middle, right? Correct? Okay. Can this game be played around a round table and why? We cannot play this game around a table because the round table there is no corner because that is curved edges, right? जब वो राउंड टेबल रहता है तो वहाँ पे कॉर्नर नहीं रहता है, तो हम लोग वो ये गेम नहीं खेल सकते। ओके, मेनी थिंग्स अराउंड अस have straight edges. For example, look at this book. This is straight edges, chair, and this kite. Okay, other other things have curved edges. For example, will, right? Okay, now see, look around you and identify things with straight and curved edges. Okay, see, straight edges, that is table, glass, cupboard, so many things we can see in around us. And curved edges, we see ball, coin, so many will also curved edges. Okay, so do the things with straight edges have corners? Yes, the things with the straight edges have corners. The answer, yes. Do the things the curved edges have corners? No. No, the things the curved edges have no corners. See, look at here. There is any corner? No. Yes, and straight edges have corner. Like I explain you, this is square. There is corner. This is right. Try to find things which have both straight and curved edges. So we will write fan, pizza. Okay, so many things you can find and write down in your notebook. Okay, so after that, activity time. Take a paper, take a rectangular sheet of a paper. Okay, like this. Count its corner. Okay, see, look at this. I have this paper, and how many corners are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is 4 corners. Write down 4 corners. Okay. The third one. Now fold one of its corner. Okay. Now fold its one corner. Okay, how many corner does it have now? Now let's count how many corners are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so there is, write down here, 5 corners. Okay, how many corner will you get by folding? Okay, if you fold two corners, means this one and this one, so how many we will get? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, 6 corners we will get. Okay, and if we fold 3 corners, like also this, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we will get 7 corners we will get. And if suppose we will fold 4 corners also here, so we will get how many? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will get 8 corners. Yes, okay. Now see, look at the following table and tick correct the name of things that have corners. Also count the number of edges and corners in which of them. Name of things. Okay, whether it has a corner, number of edges and number of corners. Okay, see, die. We played with this, right? So there is, it has corners? Yes. How many corners? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this one 8 and backside 11 and 12. Total 12 edges. And how many corners? Sorry, this is 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and backside 11 and 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12 edges and 8 corners. Ball. So ball is curved edges. So that is no corner, no edges and everywhere no. Eraser. So whether it has corner? Yes. Right? How many of edges? Let's see. Count. There are 12 edges. Okay. And how many corners? 8. Now see next eggs. Okay. See egg, that is whether it has corner? No. Okay. Number of edges? No. And number of corners? No. Sheet of paper. Yes. It has corner? Yes. Number of edges? Papers? 4. Right? 4 side. Correct? And number of corners? 4. Look at this paper. This all sides, that is edges, and this is corners. Right? In the following figure, take the correct. Those which have corners, do this figure have curved line. So you have to do this and send it me. Okay.